Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is another one of those videos that I love to film. Besides doing planner lineup videos, I also love sharing with you my planner setup videos. So that is what this video is going to be, showing you how I'm going to be setting up each of my planners for 2023. But make sure you go on over, check out my video where I showed you what planners I'm going to be using for 2023 and how I'm going to be using them in my 2023 planner lineup video. So now in this video, I'm going to be setting up my mini happy planner that I'm going to be using as my on-the-go planner. So I have my cover that I want to use. I have some inserts, some vellum, decorative vellum that I'm going to use, as well as some dividers as well. It's time to go ahead and get all set up. All right, so here is my mini happy planner that I'm using as my on-the-go planner. I am going to change the cover as well as the disc. So let me go ahead and show you what I picked out. So the cover that I chose is this Wild Style collection that Happy Planner came out with a while back, as well as this rose gold metal discs, you guys. I am a metal disc lover. I have nothing against plastic discs, but the durability on the metal disc I love. And so I chose this Notiq cover with the rose gold hardware on there. And I chose that because of the rings for this planner. I think it goes well. The color and everything goes really nice with it. So I chose the Notiq covers for that. I also have my paper clips that I'm going to use some accessories with, some labels, inserts, as well as some more labels that I'm going to add to this planner. And then I am going to go ahead and pull out, I think I'm going to try to go ahead and do 6 months, but I'll see what it looks like if I put the entire 12 months in this planner, how big it's going to be. Because I don't want it to be too chunky where it's going to be hard to turn the pages. But I'm going to go ahead and take out all 12 months of this to see how it goes. If I end up changing it and doing only 6 months, I will let you know. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and pull out 1 month at a time and place it into my planner so that way it's easier to go ahead and set up. All right, you guys, so I am done setting up my mini happy planner. I did go ahead and put in my little decorative elements, my paper clips, as well as some labels. And this is probably going to be all the accessories that I'm going to add to this on this side. And then once I have this on the back of this cover, I am going to put my ID, my debit card, and some receipts and some maybe cash in the back. But this is how it looks. So when you flip it in, I do have my vellum in my vellums in the inside from Fancy Plans Co. I do have my hello page, which I'm not for sure if I'm going to put my name there or not, but anyway, so once you flip it in, you are going to pass through the 2-year at a glance, your perpetual calendar, and then this is where you're going to have your calendar months. I did go ahead and put in a today dashboard so that it'll just kind of flow throughout to go ahead and set in for my currently week. So it'll be easier for me to flip through. Now, I was able to go ahead and put in all 12 months of this planner in here, and I like it because it's nice and chunky but not too chunky. And so after the 12 months, I do have a goals page here, a section here that I'm going to have, and this is also from Fancy Plans Co. It has different sections of your vision board, and I just wanted something that I can carry throughout and that I can look at while I'm on the go, as far as some goals that I want to set. The next section I label as personal because I want to have this as a personal tracking section for like just different things. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to use and track in here. The next section is going to be a to-do section. This is going to be all of my to-dos as far as traveling that I want to do and how I'm going to be planning and setting up for that. And since this isn't on the go while I'm on the go traveling, I'll have this little like journaling tracker to kind of write down some important information, all that. This insert is from Lights Planner Actions. I will put that down in the description. The next section is my notes pages, and all I just have is just some lined paper that I can write down. Next, I did do like a little cute little vision board in the back, which I used some Fancy Plans Co. postcards, cut them up and let them be able to fit in the inside with some inspirational quotes. And then on the back, I just added some pictures of me and my kids and some motivational quotes as well, and just some little decorative elements. So this is what it looks like. I don't know, you guys, I may have to change around some of these paper clips just to kind of move it around because I don't want it to kind of do what it just did there. But this is my 2023 mini on the go planner set up. And so now that I have my planner all set up for 2023, I hope you do come back for some more tea time because in the next video, I'm going to be setting up my catch-all home planner. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it inspires you to decide on how you want to start your planner system and also your planner journey. And if you are new here, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.